Today, okay? It's not even morning. It's like 9:20 right now, and I should be going to bed in like an hour and a half, but am I? No. What's up, guys? It is your girl Alexandra. How are you guys doing? It is your girl Alexandra with no E. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a very much requested video. I know you requested it. I know you watched this right now, clicked on this because you wanted to see it. At me next time. So wing liner for me back then was never easy, okay? It was definitely really hard, but it took me about 5 years to master it. So this is your first day practicing it. You got 5 more years to go, honey. So before we get started, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, because it'd be rude as hell if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, okay? And be sure to follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram is... So first of all, I'm going to go in and talk about what products I use. So I use the Milani Eye Tech Extreme Eyeliner, and I really like this liner because it makes it so easy. It's drugstore, it's affordable. Why do I have my arm left like this? Like I'm your mother. You got to buy this eyeliner, honey. This eyeliner I really like just because the felt tip is just so easy to use, and it is really sturdy, and that is one thing I have trust issues with. Some felt tips just like you touch it and you're just like, come on, can you like get yourself together, can you work out a little bit, you know? This one is actually really sturdy, and I really enjoy that because it makes drawing the line so easy. I am going to be honest and say that I don't like the formula of it. The formula is okay, but I definitely do think it wears off. So of course you have to go over it with another eyeliner because you're extra like me. Definitely putting this off because I don't like how I use 2 products, but I mean, I have been using these 2 products forever and it's not going to change. It's the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. So I really like this personally because of the formula. I think the felt tip could use some work. Maybe I should swatch it. Oh my god, I've never swatched before. Let's see how this goes. Ooh. That was such a bad swatch. But I mean, as you guys can see, it is really dark. And I'm gonna swatch the Milani one next to it actually. So yeah, no, don't ever hire me for swatches. Really black, it doesn't bleed, it stays for a really long time. So I have Asian eyes, so obviously I have more smaller eyes. So with that being said, I do believe that you need to have a very small tip. Said, I want to show you guys this other eyeliner that I used to use. It is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Liner, and it is the micro tip version. So this one is really nice because you guys see how small that is. It is so small, and you can get so precise with the line, and you get really sharp with it. I totally suggest if you have smaller eyes, I do think you should definitely get this micro tip because then you can have an even smaller lash line eyeliner, because when you have smaller eyes you definitely want to keep the eyeliner as thin as possible so it doesn't close off the eyes. So a lot of my girlfriends who are Asian, they really like the micro tip because it is so tiny and small, and you can get so precise with it, and you don't have to make your eyeliner thick because, to be honest, we don't have real estate for that, okay? Just speaking the truth. First thing you're going to do is you're going to line your lash line with your eyeliner. How I like to do is I like to use the Milani Eye Tech Extreme Eyeliner, and I just like to stamp it onto the lash line, just kind of using the side of the pen. As you guys can see, at the very end of my lash line, I like to have it a little bit thicker, so I go a little bit above my lash line. Back to the plan. Me and my mama hopped in that U-Haul van. Any pessimists, I ain't talk to them, 'cause I ain't had no phone in my... As As for the wing, I find that it's easiest when I just literally follow the line of my lash line and just follow it up as if it were to keep on continuing. See, I'm using the very tip of the pen and doing very small strokes, and this just ensures that I'm doing the right angle as to how I like it. The small strokes and the very tip of the pen allows it to draw on a lot lighter, so then if you make a mistake, you can go in and correct it very easily. To connect the wings, I lay my pen flat onto the wing and I just drag it into the line that we made prior. I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die. And then to make sure it is super black, we're going to go in with a Stila Stay All Day eyeliner and going over that exact line and also filling in that gap just to make sure it is super dark and it stays on all day. Back when they thought pink polos are hurt to ride before Cam got. I don't like my eyeliner to be too thick because I think it closes off the eye. So as you guys can see, when I relax my eyes, you can still see my eyelid peeking through the eyeliner, which is perfect. And then, girl, of course, we have to do the other side. And by the way, I know my voice sounds really raspy right now. I am a little bit sick, but I feel like it sounds nicer raspy, you know? I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Now ain't look at me like, damn dog, you what I am. A hip-hop legend, I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. And then, of course, applying mascara, and then you are all set, girl. You're ready to go out or stay in. It doesn't matter. Just take selfies. I felt like bad boy street team. I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take them back to the plan. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Of course, before I leave, I'm gonna be doing my Instagram shout out. So if you didn't know, if you follow me on Instagram and you DM me, you do get a possibility of getting a shout out in my video. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram right here. Slide into my DMs and we can have a conversation. We can be friends. I'm going to shout out Cherry. Hello, Cherry. So I'm going to shout out two Cherry. There's one Cherry that I'm friends with. Hello, Cherry. Thank you so much for watching my video. I haven't seen you in ages. And then the other Cherry I'm going to shout out is this beautiful girl who DM'd me about watching my video about my Asian culture video, which a lot of you guys actually messaged me about. And I'm just so elated that you guys enjoyed that video, and I'm glad that you guys are out there and able to relate to me and feel better about it. And I don't know, like, thank you, Cherry, for messaging me. I'm so glad that you're able to come to my videos and be able to just, like, I don't know, I feel like we sisters now, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Oh my god, hello. You can barely see me, but
introduce yourself. Ew, you look a ratchet right now. You better get your shit together.
excuse me. My engagement.
Look at him. Look at him. He's giving himself a shout out. He's getting.
Mama.
Oh my god.